Alright, so now that the eyebrows is done, we're gonna make sure the skin is prepped and nice and moisturized. I've already done my skincare routine. Make sure your skin is moisturized. I don't use primers, but you can add a primer if you like. And I use the Fenty 360 as my foundation, by the way. I have both of them. The 360 and the 370. The 370 I use in the summertime and the 360 I use in the wintertime. Alright, so now that I have my foundation on and my eyebrows are done, now we're going to get to the nitty gritty. If you don't wear makeup, what I'm about to do might be a lot of makeup to you, but if you do wear makeup, you already know the drill, you already know. Alright, so I feel like highlighting and contour before was used to change your whole face shape, but in 2019, going into 2020, highlighting and contour is more now used to create depth and dimension. It's about embracing your natural face shape, but just creating a little bit of depth and dimension. If you want a chiseled jawline, do a chiseled jawline. If you want your cheekbones to appear higher, have your cheekbones appear higher, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, I'm just gonna leave my door open so I can bring in some more light because I realized the video is looking a little dark.
You won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in.
So now there's more brightness in your T-zone area and more depth and dimension around the rest of your face. And here's a more detailed chart so you can see what I'm talking about.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate.
Now I'm using my bronzer to set my contour. And setting your highlight and contour just allows for it to last longer.
Open up, tell you out for puff, let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up, open up.
And I'm just going in between my contour with the Bare Minerals powder just to set that area. Okay, I really don't like contouring my nose, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it just for the sake of this video. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up.
open up, shutting down like.
And that's really it for contouring and highlighting. But to spruce up the face a little bit more, I'm just gonna add some blush, some highlighter, and add a little mascara.
Open up, shutting down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
And that's it. This is how your face should be looking. The light should reflect in your T-zone area, and around your face should be a little bit darker.
Okay. All right, so I think the light is getting a little better again. Now, to be honest with you, I do not do this every day at all. When I'm going to work, it takes me 5, maybe 7 minutes to do my face because I don't have time to do this every day, or else I would be late every day. I mean, I'm late. I'm not late. I'm always rushing for work anyway, but I definitely would be late if I were to do this every day. But yeah, they call this a natural beat because even though it is kind of a lot of makeup, it looks very natural, and that's why they call it that.
Here's another look of how your face should be looking.